So today I want to show you how to give a discount for anybody wanting to stay at your Airbnb for like a week or more, or even a month plus. Now, this is somewhat of a quick video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to keep on learning more about Airbnb and running your small business. So here we are, you can see on screen, this is the main dashboard of our Airbnb. Now we're gonna wanna click on the menu button on the bottom right, and this is gonna take us to our menu. You can see this is our hosting that we have right now. We only have one property, so we're gonna click on the property we want to give this discount to. And from right over here, you can see at the top, it's currently set up at the listing. If we want to click on booking settings, that was a tough one to say. You can see there's an option that says length of stay pricing. So we're going to click on here, and then you can see there's two options right away at the top. It says a weekly discount, 7 or more days. So if they stay 6, they won't get this discount. And it says your average price with a 15% discount would be this much. And they have a tip for you how much you want to discount. Now, I'm kind of booked out a little bit in advance right now. So when I'm pretty booked out, I actually lower the percentage until I get closer and closer with no bookings. But obviously the choice is yours. You can see the monthly discount for 28 days or more. Right now, for us, it's set at 20%, and it tells you how much that would be. And again, the tip that they want to do. And then you can also do additional discounts for additional stays. So if you want to do like 60 plus stays or whatever. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about it, you can click on how do discounts work. So you can read about it and see, making sure that everything will be up to par with what your expectations are with giving these types of discounts. Now, one thing to really keep in mind too is that you can change this at any given time. All you got to do is come back in here, change these numbers, and then click the save button on the bottom right hand side, and you are going to be all good to go. Now, like I mentioned, make sure you had that subscribe button clicked on, but I actually want you to keep on learning more about Airbnb, so check out my video right over here.